Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Stowaway Gourmet. Feel free to check them out. They have a variety of food and other items. Feel free to check them out again. Stowaway Gourmet. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's get this open. This is actually part 3 of a 3-part delivery. So I'm kind of curious to see what they've included in this last segment of the order. Feel free to check out videos on the first 2 portions of the order. They were 24 pouches each. So this one hopefully is another 24 pouches. There's our list. And okay. Let's see what we got here. Looks like we got COMRADE DOEGANOFF. Creamy stroganoff of venison, pasta, and mushrooms in babushka's secret sauce. Oh, yeah. Nutrition facts. Kind of your ingredients. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, different one. 6, 7, and 8. Alright. Next up are La Pasta Nostra. Penne and mushrooms in a basil tomato reduction with pecorino romano and Parmesan cheeses. So a little bit more. This one had more protein and less calories. This one has more calories but fewer protein grams. There's our nutrition facts for this one. And ingredients and directions. So these typically use about, this one uses 1 1/4 cups boiling water, and this one uses 1 1/2 cups boiling water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, and we're getting to the last item. Looks like it's all entrees. CHANA masala, chickpeas and vegetables in rich yogurt curry with rice. So this one has less protein and less calories. A lighter meal. Maybe good for a light day. Let's see, of activity. Nutrition facts, ingredients. And directions. This one also uses 1 1/2 cups of boiling water. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So that completes part 3 of a 3-part order from Stowaway Gourmet. Again, feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items that you can choose from their menu, literally. And maybe you will find something that you will enjoy. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage NOSTRA tools and expanded topics, as well as a series of book review media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.